Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to uninstall Roshade. So let's start. First, go to your web browser and then search roshade.com. Now press the download button. Now select free download. There's a lot of advertisement right here, so just ignore and then click on skip. It will now bring you to the Roshade download. Tap on download. Now open the Roshade setup. Press uninstall. And then press again to uninstall. Now it's finished. Then close and follow. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.